The FLEXVOLT Hammerdrill Impact Driver Kit features DEWALT cordless tools including our DCD996 20V max 1/2 inch 3-speed Hammerdrill and DCF887 20V max 1/4 inch 3-speed impact driver. This DEWALT power tool set comes with one FLEXVOLT 20V, 60V max lithium-ion battery, one 20V max compact battery, and a fast charger. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DCD996 20V max 1/2 inch Hammerdrill 3-speed, high performance, 0 to 2000 revolutions per minute. All-metal transmission in cordless tools combo kit optimises tool to task for fast application speeds and improved runtime. Number 2. DCD996 20V max 1/2 inch Hammerdrill in the cordless toolset has 0 to 38,250 BPM for fast drilling in masonry materials. Number 3. DCD996 20V max 1/2 inch Hammerdrill in DEWALT toolkit has a compact size, 8.4 inch front to back length, and lightweight, 4.7 pounds, designed to fit tight areas. Number 4. DCD996 20V max Hammerdrill includes 3-mode LED providing lighting in dark or confined spaces up to 20 times brighter than the previous model. Number 5. DCF887 20V max 1/4 inch impact driver provides 1825 lbs of max torque at fast 0 to 3250 rpm speed and 0 to 3600 impacts per minute. Number 6. DCF887 20V max 1/4 inch impact driver has a compact size, 5.3 inch front to back length, and lightweight, 3.4 pounds design. Number 7. This is next level power. The FLEXVOLT system brings you the future of power with cordless tools, unlike anything you've ever experienced. With a highly innovative voltage-changing battery and a lineup of groundbreaking 60V max and 120V max tools to match, FLEXVOLT tools have the power that will change the way work gets done. Number 8. The technology that gets it done. The FLEXVOLT battery's ability to automatically change between two voltages gives users a serious advantage when it comes to efficiency. It's the battery that not only powers but improves the runtime of our DEWALT 20V max tools, so you don't have to invest in a whole new system. It's the battery that brings the power of the cord to a new lineup of 60V max and 120V max DEWALT tools so you can finally work on a fully cordless job site. This revolutionary battery will change the way things get done. Number 9. One battery 2 voltages. The FLEXVOLT battery is backward compatible with our 20V max tools so you get up to 4x the runtime. And because the FLEXVOLT battery is the only battery that automatically changes voltages when you change tools, you can slide the battery into a whole new lineup of 60V max and 120V max tools from DEWALT. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.